Today for the Bitcoin, believe it or not, and also XRP prices. We are going to talk about XRP Ripple and what was actually happening recently here, yesterday and today, where we got this insane, more than 50% pump towards the upside. What the heck is happening to XRP right now? And more importantly, is this long, weekly, yearly downtrend here finally over for all XRP holders? Quick disclaimer, I'm not a fan of XRP. I'm not a big XRP supporter whatsoever. I'm holding some, but just because I got paid in some. This is my disclaimer, but I'm definitely not a big supporter of XRP. You know I'm a Bitcoin guy, you know I'm an Ethereum guy. However, we want to look into the charts and we want to see whether we can make some gains here. And also, of course, I love the XRP community because somehow we are all sitting in the same boat, right? Let's look into the charts because some crazy news were breaking and some crazy things were happening in the Bitcoin and XRP chart. Stick here with me until the very end. This is certainly a special video, certainly a video I was not planning to do, but also a video which really I think is extremely relevant right now. Let's go straight into the charts. And of course, I want to be talking about the charts here. What's happening for XRP right now, where we are going, whether we are going higher or not, and of course, a potential trade on XRP here in the immediate future. Before, I wanted to give you a little bit of a context here. This news which we're breaking actually on the 22nd of February. Now it is, of course, getting more and more pumped because there are some news for XRP right now. So let me talk about this here first from February, and then I'm giving you a little bit more context about what's happening right now fundamentally and also in the charts.
Apparently, what Ripple found out was that as recently as 2019, the SEC was approached by a large crypto exchange or maybe exchanges and asked, hey SEC, can we sell XRP? Is it a security? So we can't sell it. Please let us know. And the SEC did not tell them, no, it is a security, you cannot sell it. Listen to that one more time. An unnamed exchange went to the SEC and said, we are allowing trading of XRP right now on our platform. Is that okay? And the securities regulatory body of the United States did not tell them no. And then a year later, they sued Ripple saying that XRP is a security. Wow. Now that is a big problem for the SEC, and I don't know how they get around that. Because
okay, so I mean, I will not play you this whole clip, but the bottom line is that exchanges were reaching out asking whether it's a security or not. They really didn't get an answer. If they got an answer, the answer was no, and no problems with that. So the question is, what really changed? Because in 2020 we had that filing of the SEC whether XRP is a security or not. And that was the beginning of the end for XRP. That was the beginning of this long downtrend, because if it is a security, all of those exchanges, they would have to delist XRP. And now everyone is waiting for the answer of the SEC. Also muss ich noch was raussuchen. And of course, the news landscape is going completely crazy. I want to show it to you here. And as again, I'm not an XRP expert here. You can make your own research, but many people are speculating now, why is this big pump happening? What I can do for you definitely here before, like without talking about any fundamentals or news, let's look at the US dollar chart. And as you can see, the beginning of the end actually started and XRP was basically going sideways, even though the whole crypto market quadrupled, quintupled, and even more. And just a few days ago, this uptrend actually started, and we saw the biggest pump since ages, since yesterday here. And XRP for the first time since, and now let me look at this, since 2018 April, for the first time finally went above $1. And the question is, how high will XRP go? Well, I pulled the Fibonacci extension level from the top to the bottom, and that one would give us approximately a price target of $1.18 only. But one thing which I found to be interesting is that the previous all-time high, which is broken by many altcoins already, by Cardano, by Ethereum, of course, if you want to call it an altcoin, by most of the altcoins out there, and of course by Bitcoin itself since ages already, this high is exactly in alignment with the 4x Fibonacci extension level. Guys, I almost forgot the most important disclaimer, man, with so much euphoria, but the disclaimer is very important. If you're looking at this chart, of course, like, don't get caught up before you're not getting here confirmation on the Bitcoin chart. We need a confirmation on the Bitcoin chart. Otherwise, we are running the danger. Look at this. We are seeing these pumps time and time again, right? And after these pumps, we don't see continuation every single time. Of course, this time it could be different because for the first time we are finally seeing a healthy W pattern, maybe marking the end of this downtrend. However, we need the confirmation on the weekly. Otherwise, it is just going to be another fake out. So this is just the disclaimer. I will cut that in the middle of the video, and now let's go on and continue with all the juicy price targets. So the question is XRP going to $3.17? Well, let's go over to the XRP Bitcoin chart. And what you can see here is the weekly chart for Bitcoin. And a quick shout out to everyone who is new to this channel. Go down below, subscribe to the channel, press the bell and press on all to get updated, not only about Bitcoin updates, about Ethereum updates, and about altcoin updates in the immediate short term. Of course, I'm talking about trading setups as well. And this is the weekly candles for Ethereum against Bitcoin. And here you can see something interesting evolving. By the way, in the comment down below, get a $700 bonus by BitFimex. If you click these links, you get $700 for free. By clicking these links, making an account, and after your initial deposit, you get this bonus, and you can basically also trade XRP over there. The question is, am I going into an XRP trade right now? The answer is no, but I might very soon. I am getting more into altcoin trading now. We were crushing it on Bitcoin, but on altcoins, the risk is higher and the upside is higher as well. This is how the law of nature goes. And you can see here on the weekly candles and a crazy W pattern. I mean, it is not ready yet, but if this weekly candle here goes above the neckline, closes above the neckline of the 2,244 Satoshi level, then I am personally expecting for XRP, and once again, I'm not an XRP fanboy, I'm not even close, I'm the opposite of that. But don't love it, don't hate it, don't date it, just trade it, right? So let's go back here, and if we are closing above the neckline, this could lead to a 70% pump against Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes higher, that would make even a higher pump on the US dollar chart. So I could see, and here once again, it is due to exogenous factors. It is it really depends on how the SEC is deciding and what's happening in the news landscape for XRP. But if all of that stays more on the positive side of things, then I could personally imagine an XRP price of over $2 in the next few weeks. Let's wait and see what is happening here. I'm not rushing into any trade. I'm waiting for the confirmation signs on the charts. Before that, I will not touch anything, but I already wanted to give you that update. So thank you so much for watching until the very end. And for all the Bitcoin maximalists out there, I'm almost a maximalist, as you know. I hope you give me that XRP video, but I really thought this is something to talk about. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. We will see each other very soon at the next one. MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.